there, buddy. Good to see you back. Oh, why do you look so confused? Is it because of the potato? No, I'm not going to cook anything. I am going to light up an LED using this potato. Yes, you heard me right. Yesterday, my friend Bob called me and asked me a favor. He was given an assignment to find daily objects that can be used as a battery. He did some research and found out that potatoes can be used as a battery. But he was a little confused about the connections. So, he asked for my help. So, what do you say, buddy? Wanna join me for an adventure? That's the spirit. Come on. We saw our LED glow when we connected it to a 3-volt coin cell battery. But what happens when we connect it to a 1.5-volt battery? If it affects the brightness, then what other features affect the brightness? You will get the answer to all these questions by the end of this video. So, fasten your seatbelts and let's get into the video right away. First things first, we have to make an LED glow with the battery. When we connect an LED across the two ends of a battery, negatively charged electrons flow from the battery. This flow of electrons is called current and an LED glows when this current flows through it from a battery. So, from the components library, select an LED and place it on the workspace. Next, select a 1.5 volt battery from the components library and place it near the LED. Now let's connect them together. How do we usually do that, kiddo? That's right. So take a red wire from the wire section and connect the anode, which is the positive leg of the LED, to the positive terminal of the battery. Then take a black wire and connect the cathode, which is the negative leg of the LED, to the negative terminal of the battery. Great! So, what's next? Yes, we can check the results, and for that, click on Start Simulation. The LED is glowing, but the light is too dull. So if we use a 1.5 volt battery, the LED will glow, but only with a faint light. Okay, click on Stop Simulation. We have been calling it a battery, right? Well, did you know the word battery was first used by Ben Franklin, and he took the word from a military term battery, which defined a group of weapons working together? Who knew that the word battery had a backstory to it? Alright, till now we have added one LED. Let's add one more to the circuit to see what happens. Come on, before we add the LED, delete the positive connection from the battery. Simply select the red wire and press on delete on the keyboard. Then, from the components list, bring in another LED to the workspace. Now, take a blue wire and connect the anode of the first LED to the cathode of the second LED. After that, take a red wire and connect the anode of the second LED to the positive terminal of the battery. Does this connection ring a bell? The connection where we connected two LEDs end to end to form a single loop. I didn't hear you. Yes, series connection. Alright, let's simulate a circuit connected in series. So, click on Start Simulation. Oh, the LED didn't glow. This means that 1.5 volt battery is not capable of lighting up two LEDs. Okay, let's stop the simulation. We have a situation, don't we? The LEDs aren't glowing. I really wanted to see the LEDs glow in full brightness. Maybe increasing the number of batteries will do the trick. Why don't we try that? Let's do that, bud. So first, let's delete the positive and negative connections to LEDs. Perfect. Then, take another 1.5 volt battery from the components library and place it next to the first battery. Just like how we connected the two LEDs, take a blow wire and connect the positive terminal of the first battery to the negative terminal of the second one. Now we have one positive terminal and one negative terminal. This makes it look like a single battery, isn't it? Okay, we can take a red wire and connect the positive leg of the second LED to the positive terminal of the second battery. Let's arrange the LED and connections a bit. Then take a black wire and connect the negative leg of the first LED to the negative terminal of the first battery. We have completed the connections, little one. Let's simulate our circuit to see the output. So, click on Start Simulation. Oh, not again. Even after connecting two batteries, the LEDs are glowing with a faint light. Why don't we use that method? Oh, you don't remember? It's okay, you'll find out soon. But before that, let's stop simulating the circuit. So, click on Stop Simulation. First, we need LEDs for this connection. So, take one LED from the components list and place it on the workspace. Then take another LED and place it above the other one. Now, take a red wire and connect the positive of the first LED to the positive of the second LED. Then take a black wire and connect the negative of the first LED to the negative of the second LED. Do you remember now? Yes, this is the parallel connection where there are two or more loops for the current to flow. Let's add batteries to power these LEDs. So, from the components library, add two batteries to the workspace. Just as we did earlier, take a blue wire and connect the positive terminal of the first battery with the negative terminal of the second one. Now take a red wire and connect the positive leg of the second LED to the positive terminal of the second battery. Then let's adjust the connections a bit. Then take a black wire and connect the negative leg of the second LED to the negative terminal of the first battery. Also, adjust the connections a bit. That's the end of the connections, dear. Let's simulate our circuit to see the results. So, click on Start Simulation. Hooray! We did it, kiddo! Both the LEDs are shining with a fiery red light. See, the brightness is also at its peak now. But at the same time, the LEDs in the series connection are glowing with a dim light. Clear? Good. Then, let's stop the simulation. Well, we learned that if we use a 1.5 volt battery, then we need two of them to light the LEDs. Also, we got to know that the method of connection matters too. Next, we learn about everyday objects that can be used as a battery.